Dear friends, this is triangles. You can see it is very pretty nickel colors, and you can see the black nickel colors is very shiny and it's very smooth. If you want to buy these high quality triangles, you can tell me its size, weight, and what colors you want, so that we can call you the best price. Like this one, the internal diameter is about 39.46 mm, and the height is about 35 mm. And the weight, its weight is 11.3 grams per pieces. This one is very pretty brand nickels. If you want to make other colors, we also had many colors for the choosing. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.